Hi everyone, I'm Haley from HH Premium, Thailand's most trusted Thailand Privilege Elite Visa agency, and I'm here to talk with you about taxes. It's been the talk of the town, and I wanted to make this video because there is a lot of concern about a recent announcement about taxation of overseas income. It's freaking people out, and there's a lot of incorrect information out there getting everyone all riled up. I'm going to give you the most official thing you can get. I'm going to source the Royal Gazette, which is the Thai government's one and only official way of announcing news laws and decrees since 1858. So if you want to understand the official announcement from the Thai government and how it impacts you, please watch all the way through as I dispel the top 5 myths about taxation and living in Thailand. Myth number 1. If I open a Thai bank account, any money transferred from abroad will be taxed. Not true. Only assessable income is taxable. Assessable income means payment from a company or employer or passive income streams such as rent. Moving savings between your own personal accounts is not a form of assessable income. You are not going to be taxed on these transfers. And maybe you have a partner or a friend and they transfer you money? No problem. You can receive gifts up to 10 million baht tax-free. Myth number 2. Thailand Elite planned this. The Thai government wants to take our money. They tricked us with the price increase so they'd lock us in before the new tax law. No, that's not true. Who is paying tax is not changing at all. Only the select few who were utilizing a loophole to avoid tax. You see, historically, Thai tax residents transferring overseas income into Thailand would only be taxed if it was brought into Thailand the same calendar year it was earned. This loophole means if you transferred income earned in 2022 into Thailand in 2023, you didn't have to pay tax on it. This is what is changing, and the only thing that is changing. So now, beginning January 1st, 2024, any assessable income you bring into Thailand will be taxed regardless of when you earned it. This is closing that loophole so people can't avoid paying tax. So, who is a tax resident? The Thai government classifies a tax resident as any person residing in Thailand for more than 180 days in a calendar year. A resident of Thailand is liable to pay tax on income from sources in Thailand as well as on the portion of income from foreign sources that is brought into Thailand. This is how it's always been. Foreign earned income has always been taxed, and this is not changing in any way. People who meet this criteria are supposed to file taxes in Thailand regardless of the Thai visa they're using. Does that mean everyone does? Really, this is aimed at Thai nationals. Even though Thailand's very affordable, there are a number of high net worth Thai citizens who have invested abroad to avoid paying tax legally by using this loophole. So actually, this is targeted at them. And sorry to tell you, you're not that special. I mean, you are to us, but they're not thinking about you. Proof of paying taxes is not needed to enter the country or maintain your elite visa, or a retirement visa, or an education visa, or any non-working Thai visa. And historically, the Revenue Department doesn't contact you for this information. Essentially, it's an honor system that, honestly, most people aren't aware of. Okay, so you're in Thailand for 180 days and meet this criteria. Well, you're not automatically given a Thai tax ID number or registered in the Revenue Department system. Okay, so how do you file taxes and abide by this rule? Since you're not in the Revenue Department system, you have to go to your local Revenue Department to apply for a Thai tax ID number. They will ask you for a rental agreement and your proof of income. And if you don't have a rental agreement and you don't work in Thailand, they may be very confused and say, "Mai dai," or "cannot." We've had clients who have tried to pay on their own, couldn't, and had to have a Thai accountant help them so they could get a Thai tax ID number, which we can help you to get. And if you do get a Thai tax ID number and file taxes, remember, you will only pay on assessable income that is brought into Thailand. And this isn't even accounting for the double tax treaty that most countries have with Thailand, which may exempt you from paying any tax or give you a tax credit. But that's a whole nother thing, so let's not even get into that. Again, you are not going to be taxed on savings, as some sources have stated. Which leads me to myth number 3. I will be taxed if I transfer money into Thailand to buy property. No, that's not true. For most people, the money you're transferring into Thailand to buy a condo or property has already been taxed. Money transferred between personal bank accounts is not considered income and therefore is not taxable. Myth number 4. I must pay tax in Thailand to enter Thailand, extend my visa, or maintain my Elite Visa status. That's not true. Taxation documents are not requested by Thailand Privilege or Immigration, regardless of your length of stay. Taxation and residency in Thailand are separate. The Revenue Department and the Immigration Department are separate entities and they operate independently. They are not going to check at the airport and they're not going to check at immigration. How do I know this? Well, the Elite Visa is issued under the Tourism Authority of Thailand and it's classified as a long stay tourist visa. The purpose of stay for this visa is long stay leisure. There's no minimum or maximum length of stay, and many Elite Visa holders spend less than 180 days in Thailand and don't even qualify for tax residency. And for those that do pay tax in Thailand, they're only taxed on income, not savings. Myth number 5. Pensions are going to be taxed. Don't worry, this is not true. Retirement pensions are not taxable. So the bottom line is that unless you are the very small percentage of people that were using an old tax loophole, essentially nothing's changed. At the moment, the only official news from the government is this half-page document. So there's really nothing more to share with you right now. But if you'd like our help with anything related to taxes or wealth-related services in Thailand, we will begin accepting new clients from January 2024. You can sign up for updates using the link below. And if you're not already working with us, please do not contact our office directly as we are prioritizing our current clients. I hope this video answered a lot of your questions and gives you a bit more peace of mind. I'm Haley from HH Premium. That's all for now, and I'll see you next year.